Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if not charging on Edge 19 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so check your power cable. After check your power cable and check your adapter. After check adapter and cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart device from here. Just click and hold on restart and click on restart. Okay, so you will see restart device from here. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in settings, click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if is not working on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.